because we're just having one night here and to get some water. So, and I should imagine they'll be gone quite a while because they'll be watching the planes. Hi everyone.
Hi folks.
Well, we're in Hampshire and we're nearly at our destination.
We are, Popham Airfield.
Yeah. So, Popham Airfield, Tony has flown into it a few times.
We've never driven there.
No, we've never driven there, and today we're in the motorhome. Now we're meeting some very special friends of ours, but we won't tell you who they are until we get there, and then you'll see who they are. So we'll come back to you when we arrive. Bye for now. Hi everyone, well we've arrived. We're at Popham Airfield and there's some planes over there. Oh, I better say aircraft, Tony tells me off about that. There's some aircraft over there and there's planes coming in and taking off. And there's a few vans parked here and there's a special van just there, look. Can anybody tell me in the comments who that van belongs to? It belongs to Posh Cats Camping. So Tony and Trev have just gone off to pay the fees for the night because we're just having one night here and to get some water. So and I should imagine they'll be gone quite a while because they'll be watching the planes. Anyway, it's a lovely field. Oh, I think that's a red kite.
A fee of £15 per night is payable at the control tower. Popham have organised an evening fly-in, and here we have a tiger moth approaching runway 26 to land. There are numerous aircraft visiting the barbecue. As you can see from the amount of aircraft that have landed, the barbecue is a very popular event. It's time for tea. We had a really good vantage point of the airfield from where we were parked on the CL. A late arrival for the barbecue is this lovely PA28. I'm just hoping there's still plenty of burgers and sausages left, otherwise I'll be going home hungry. Here we have a fine example of an RV6 getting ready for his departure back home. We even saw a hot air balloon crossing the airfield. The next morning, we all had a pleasant walk to the clubhouse where we enjoyed a lovely breakfast before departing to our next destination in the New Forest, where you can see wild ponies roaming free. So join us in our next video, where we travel to a very special event.